What's up, my YouTubers and my subscribers? I spent most of the day changing my tie rod ends. I replaced my control arm on my passenger side, and I stripped the bolt, the nut. I stripped the nut on it, and I just changed both of my tie rod ends. And I thought the clunking noise would come from my tie rod end because the boost was going, so I thought they was bad. I pulled them off, they wasn't too bad, and they still feel pretty strong. But I'll go ahead and change them. I expect most of them won't change that. I put new bushings on my passenger side, on my driver's side, sway bar link. I put new bushings on the link connector, whatever you call it. And that's not where the clunking noise is coming from, and it's on this side of the vehicle, so I'm starting to think that my CV axle needs to be replaced, because that's the only thing I can think of. Then I need to get a burn. It's not bad. Like I said, I got it partially. It still kind of drives straight, but I want to wander every now and then. So I need to get a wheel line. I'm see if I can try to line it up a little bit better myself. But it still drives straight, but I want to wander every now and then. And they say they could be dangerous. So the stuff between getting ready to replace the CV axle on this side to prevent any problems. And it took all day to change the tie rod ends on both sides. It's best to take the sway bar link off on each side as you're going, so you can get that room in there. Depending on which socket, I use deep sockets, so there's just not enough space, so you gotta take the sway bar link off. Ain't like they have no little branch and everything. So I just pulled them off, and I checked them out too. They're pretty good, so they ain't gotta worry about the sway bar link bushes that mount the bracket. Ain't gotta worry about that. So yeah, that's my little video for today. And that'll be pretty much it. Check this out.